Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, I want to talk about a very serious mental illness called bipolar disorder. It is a condition that affects millions of people around the world, and it can have a huge impact on their lives. In this video, I'm going to discuss what bipolar disorder is, the different types of bipolar disorder, and what treatment options are available. I'll also talk about some common misconceptions about bipolar disorder and some tips for living with it. Let's get started. What is bipolar disorder? Bipolar disorder is a mental illness that is characterized by extreme shifts in mood, energy, and activity levels. It used to be known as manic depressive disorder, because those with the disorder often experience periods of feeling extremely high, manic, and extremely low, depressive. People with bipolar disorder often feel like they are on an emotional roller coaster, with their moods shifting quickly between high and low periods. Types of bipolar disorder. There are two main types of bipolar disorder, bipolar 1 and bipolar 2. Bipolar 1 is characterized by periods of extreme mania or hypomania, which is a less intense form of mania. These periods are often followed by periods of depression. Bipolar 2 is characterized by periods of hypomania and depression, but the periods of mania are not as severe. There is also a third type of bipolar disorder called cyclothymic disorder, which is a milder form of bipolar disorder that involves periods of hypomania and depression that are not as severe as in bipolar 1 or bipolar 2. Treatment options. The treatment for bipolar disorder varies, depending on the individual and the type of bipolar disorder they have. Treatment usually includes medication, psychotherapy, and lifestyle changes. Medication can help to stabilize mood swings and reduce symptoms, while psychotherapy can help people learn how to manage their symptoms and cope with the disorder. Lifestyle changes can also be beneficial, such as getting regular exercise, eating a healthy diet, and getting plenty of sleep. Common misconceptions. There are a lot of misconceptions about bipolar disorder, and it's important to be aware of them, so that you can better understand the disorder. One of the most common misconceptions is that those with bipolar disorder are always extremely happy or extremely sad. This is not true. People with bipolar disorder can experience many different emotions, and their mood can change quickly. Another misconception is that bipolar disorder is caused by a chemical imbalance in the brain. While it is true that a chemical imbalance can play a role in bipolar disorder, it is not the only cause. Living with bipolar disorder. Living with bipolar disorder can be challenging, but there are things you can do to help manage your symptoms. It's important to stay on top of your treatment plan and take your medication as prescribed. It's also important to develop healthy coping skills, such as talking to a therapist or joining a support group. Finally, it's important to take care of yourself, make sure to get plenty of sleep, eat a healthy diet, and exercise regularly. Conclusion. I hope this video helped you to better understand bipolar disorder and the different types, treatments, and misconceptions about the disorder. If you, or someone you know is living with bipolar disorder, please remember that there is hope, and treatment is available. Stay tuned for more videos about mental health and wellness. Thank you for watching. We hope that we have expanded your knowledge somewhat. It would be awesome if you would join us, and like and subscribe. See you next time. Have a great day.